Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to showcase some of my favorite short hairstyles that I have been seeing that you can rock this season. So if you are thinking of shaking things up with a shorter style, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to like today's video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So first up, we have this gorgeous rose gold bob pixie style. This is an absolutely stunning cut and color combination. Definitely giving more of that like pixie 90s style vibes with the cut. Beautiful. And then we have someone with very long hair decide to switch it up with a bob. So she got a nice simple shoulder length lob bob haircut. Beautiful. Loving the bounce and the sheen with this transformation. Gorgeous. And of course, waves were added for major texture. Here we have Philip Wolf, one of my favorite stylists. So he's working his magic here. Looks like he's also doing a longer bob style. Beautiful swoop bangs. Lots of volume in the crown. Very nice. Her hair looks amazing. Looks like she does have a bit of an undercut or shaven sides there going as well. Very nice style. Here we see a beautiful classic blonde bob haircut. This one ends just below the jawline. And then we have another bob haircut by Chris Jones Hair. Chris Jones, of course, is known for his amazing and chic bob hairstyles. Absolutely gorgeous. Loving the layered bangs he added with that one as well. And then we have another hair transformation by Philip Wolf. Looks like he's doing a pixie haircut for this one. Absolutely brilliant precision. Look how sharp that line is. We have another Philip Wolf creation here. Looks like for this one he's doing more of a bob. Oh, I love how he did the feather bangs. That is so beautiful. Very nice, and this bob does feature a cascading back. Looks like we have someone adding in some bangs to their hair. Trimming up and taking their bob a bit shorter. Very nice. She did an amazing job with this cut. It looks absolutely flawless. Then we have Chris Jones' hair styling a longer bob look. Beautiful tousled curls. Very nice. And this is definitely like the perfect lob. I love the cut, styling, and the color. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.